Want to transfer files from Google Drive to Dropbox without downloading and uploading again? Most people waste hours doing this manually. But in this video, I will show you the smart method that does everything automatically in the cloud. So stop using the old slow method and switch to a smarter one. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a smart website that transfer your files from Google Drive to Dropbox using the cloud transfer. It will save your time, internet and storage and give flexibility to transfer files while you sleep. This site called MultCloud can handle cloud transfer with multiple cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, MediaFire, OneDrive and more. For this video we will see the steps to transfer files from Google Drive to Dropbox. Let's start with the step 1. You need to create a MultCloud account. You can use your Gmail ID to sign in. Then once you are inside, the first thing you need to do is to add your Google Drive. So for that you need to just click on the Google Drive icon displayed here and just select which Google Drive you want to transfer files from. And you can see once you are authorize it, you will have the files displayed within your Google Drive here. Next, you need to add your Dropbox account. Similarly, just sign in with your email account on Dropbox. And once you authorize a Dropbox account, you will see the files within your Dropbox account. Make sure you have enough free space so you can easily transfer files from Google Drive to Dropbox. Now head over to the cloud transfer option. Then you can select Google Drive as your source folder and Dropbox as a destination and click on OK. So once you are done with that, you have a bunch of options down below. Like you can skip the file if the same file is getting copied. You can delete the source file from after transfer. Then you can also modify the date for version history and keep the transmitted files in one single folder. You can also enter your email if you want to get notified about the file transfer status. So once you are done with all the options, you just need to save it and then move on to schedule option. This will let you schedule the transfer for later, or you can do it periodically based on like daily, weekly or monthly. It's your choice. It also allows you to rename your file transfer task. So you can write any name you like that is easier to remember. And once you are done, you will just need to click on transfer now to begin the file transfer over the cloud. You will see the running task in the task list at the top, and you need to wait for a while for the transfers to start. Since I'm on free account, we have just 2 threads going on for file transfer. If you are on a paid account, that file transfer will be faster because there will be multiple threads transferring files simultaneously. You can pause the transfer, cancel it, reschedule it from the task list itself. There are some limitations in free account. You can only transfer 5 GB per month and there will only be 2 threads for file transfer. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check our channel with a lot of different tech tutorials, and I will see you into the next one. Thanks for watching.